Welcome back to the channel. Today we are putting two popular hot coolers head to head, the Avalon bottom loading water cooler dispenser and its competitors the Igloo bottom loading water cooler. Both promise easy bottom loading convenience, hot and cold water at your fingertips, and sleek designs. But which one is worth your money? Let's find out. Price and design. First up, the price. The Avalon typically sells for around $190 to $200, while the Igloo comes in slightly cheaper at around $160 to $180. That's already a big win for Igloo if you are on a budget. Now let's talk design. Both are bottom loading, meaning no heavy lifting of bottles. The Avalon, though, has a premium stainless steel finish, a built-in night light, and an empty bottle indicator. The Igloo also supports stainless steel parts but keeps things more basic without extra indicators or lights. Features and safety. Moving on to features. Both offer hot and cold water, but Avalon takes it up notch by giving you three temperature options: hot, cold, and room temperature. That's perfect if you like a quick warm tea or just want room temperature water on demand. In terms of safety, both come with the child safety lock on the hotspot. Avalon adds another layer with BioGuard antimicrobial coating, which helps keep touch areas cleaner. That's a smart feature if you have got kids at home or a busy office environment. Value and verdict. So which one should you buy? If you are after a premium feature-packed dispenser with extras like a night light, room temperature water, and antimicrobial protection, then the Avalon is worth the investment. If you are looking for a reliable, no-frills option at a more budget-friendly price, then Igloo is a solid choice. It does the basics well without the added cost. At the end of the day, it really comes down to whether you want the budget beast or the premium king. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more gadget reviews and home appliance battles. Which dispenser would you choose, Avalon or Igloo? Let us know in the comments below. Please use the link given in the description if you want to buy any product.